Here we are today, ladies and gentlemen, M138. Gonna get you your video now. We're coming out of Tuscola Technology Center. I'll be back there again. It's in Caro. Tomorrow we just turned the corner and heading on 138. We'll be going through Fairgrove and Munger. I think we'll probably just see Fairgrove on this video if we get even that far. Been on this road before, and I'm gonna get the video now because of the bridges being closed in Bay City for construction or whatever. We're going on the Lafayette Street Bridge, and those lyrics to the that song on Houses of the Holy, I forgot what he called it. It's the last song on the first side where at the end he says, "Have you seen the bridge? Where's that confounded bridge?" Now I know what they're talking about. See a whole bunch of cars saying that, not understanding where the bridge is, although I know where it is because I grew up in Bay City. And so they're sitting there wondering how much longer they have to wait, and sadly it's a long time. I'm not going to make you guys sit through that. So another video, hopefully it'll get on today. Got a big itinerary going on. I got to swing back through the Chevy place for some papers related to this new Equinox, and Cruisy 2, which is now a part of history, my history anyway. And then I gotta go help my daughter get completely moved out of her apartment at Saginaw Valley State, and then I go to pick up my son Andrew, because it turns out he's going to be spending another weekend with me in a row. Usually it's 2 weeks, but he's going to be with me this weekend. So we're here. Now this is a continuation. We're going to be turning onto the Fairgrove Road of 138. This is actually not 138. I can't remember what's up here. This is 24. One that comes north out of Quantico or out of Akron. That's Akron, Michigan, by the way. Kind of screwy, these little roads back here, but that's how you go from one to the next. Now we're on 138. Sorry to mislead you there. Wasn't an intentional misleading. I still have not got the hang of this. I have this. That's because it's not really meant for this. I've got to get that windshield cam up. But anyway, we'll be heading into Fairgrove here pretty soon anyway. It's kind of a boring trip. You can see the turbines on the left over there. What would have been a good video was this morning, of course, but I didn't have it set up or anything. They were halfway in the clouds. There was some low-hanging, foggy, gray clouds. And it made for, it was blasé in every other way, but except for the turbines. But I know you're sick of hearing about turbines. For all I know, you have millions of these stupid things where you live, so I'm sorry to keep on about it. But they were really weird this morning because they were half in the clouds and it looked like they were sawing the clouds. So we will continue. I did clean out a bunch of videos. I'm hoping we have. They didn't clear out the YouTube. They're on there. everyone the entire history. They really don't mean a whole heck of a lot afterwards. The work commute ones, I know that we're trying to, on the day in the year, try a compilation video of 300 days or so of ground zero. And I've never done anything like that before, so piecing it together is going to be an adventure for me, and I hope that I'm able to do that, because otherwise I have failed my viewers. Wouldn't be the first time viewers got failed. Happens in the movies all the time. But anyway, we're just outside of Fairgrove now. We got a little bit more to go. And then the road after that is long and monotonous like this one, only 18 miles worth. Well, at that point it'd be 13 miles worth, but still, it just, we haven't been out this way. I haven't recorded out this way in quite a while. Actually, since the fall. Actually, I think since Musty the Mustang. I was driving Musty in the fall, which we will be doing some Musty again. I gotta get it fixed. There's all these sudden expenses coming up, and even though I should be like everybody else, I'm not rich. So there's a sign right there, it says welcome to Fairgrove. We are here, and I'm gonna bid you good day. Heading up to the one big stoplight. Those of you not used to Main Street, small town USA, here's another example of it here in mid-Michigan. So, slowing down now. We're in a residential and business area. The business is coming up, and I'm gonna bid you good day, because my day is not done. And with that, I will say peace out.